Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanshopagama. Tonight on Imbewu, everyone was waiting this day of knocking of death. Tonight, Thokozile attacked KaMandonsela in a house and remind him that this is not a time for apologize. Thokozile is about to kill KaMandonsela when Kanyo to her recruits and hit Thokozile with a spade and kill her. After calming her daughter down, KaMandonsela convinced Kanyo that they have to get rid of the body. Do you think Thokozile is dead? Please leave your comment below. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. There are four things. Hashtag tonight knock of death.